am reviewing the Hamilton Beach 5-speed blender compared to the Black & Decker, also 5-speed blender. So let's look at the differences in these two blenders. I did pick them up and they are both about the same weight. So for some of you that will matter, because if you have any shoulder issues, sometimes you do need to be mindful of that as well, especially if it's on a higher counter. So let's first look at the Hamilton Beach. I really like this one. Has a bigger opening in the top. If you like to, I can do this one-handed. If you like to add things as you are blending, this one has a bigger hole in the top than this one does. So this is what the hole in the top looks like there. And this one is the smaller one on this side. This one does not come off. This one does. It just screws right back in there. This one also has more of a pointed triangular spout, whatever your preference might be. The blenders are the same capacity. This one does come in a beautiful red if you like that as well. It is kind of a classy look, but you do have your standard milkshake puree, diced chopped salsa, and then your ice crusher grind, right? And then on your Black & Decker, you're gonna have a more rounded spout. And then this one does have your 5-speed, basically your same thing. You've got your blend, your icy drinks, chop and dice, and your ice crush. Both of them, as you can tell, are about the same size, so they're gonna take up about the same counter space. The noise level is about the same. I didn't want to turn it on, during the video because it is kind of loud, but both of them have about the same noise level. So they're pretty comparable, just a little bit different design, but I highly recommend both products.